I'm gonna try this new eBay muffler that I got from 20 bucks. Shout out to Juan's Muffler. Okay, go try this right now. We'll try this right now. Oh, beat that! Beat that! Oh shit! Shit! May I see your license and registration, please? Oh, here you go, officer. So, what's up, officer? Sorry about that. Have you been drinking tonight, sir?
No, sir.
Have you been doing something illegal?
Nope.
Smoking weed?
No, sir.
Okay, alright. Do you know why I pulled you over tonight, sir?
No, sir.
Your exhaust is too loud.
What?
You know you're facing a $1,000 fine right now, sir.
Jesus Christ.
Yes, sir. The new law that posted last month, California. $1,000? Do I have to pay to court, or do I have to go to court? What should I do? $1,000 is a lot. I only have like an eBay muffler. It's not even that loud, sir. Wait, officer, look, there's a crime. There's a crime right there. Ooh, see that, officer? He just got knocked out. Do something, officer, do something. Come on. Officer, right there, there's a bank robbery. Right there, officer. Do something, officer, come on. I don't see any crime. The only crime that I've seen is your exhaust is too loud.
So you have to go to the state referee. You have to go have your car checked. Then you have to go to the court. After you go to court, even though you won the case, you still have to pay the $1,000 fine.
How?
Your license is suspended. You can't drive for a year. Your driver career is. You're a racer. Your car sucks. Your car is slow as.
I'm going home. I'm gonna go ride my bicycle. You can have my car. Hey, yo, bro, I just ordered my new exhaust and my new headers. Get out. Get out. Get out!